Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that have been giving me concerns. I've seen this particular thing both on Twitter, both on WhatsApp status and all of that. So people have been talking about this thing. So I want to share my own insight on this particular thing. So what's this thing? I've seen people who said or who are learning or studying JavaScript. Some are learning about Python, some are into PHP, some are into C#, C++, Ruby, Golang, all of that. You know? And they will come out and say, no, this particular technology is better than this one is better, this one that is jobs on this particular career path, you know? But the whole thing now is, whether you are a PHP developer, whether you are a JavaScript developer, whether you are a Golang developer, Ruby, all of that, trust me, there's a lot of job out there. All that you just need is competence. Know what you are doing. You can't tell me that you know JavaScript, like you have mastered JavaScript to the core, and getting a job will be difficult for you, or getting a tech role will be difficult for you. I find it very hard to believe. You know, I've seen people who transitioned from JavaScript to Python because of they felt that, okay, I've looked for a job on JavaScript, I'm not saying, now they move to Python. Then one tweet from somebody will be like, hey, the future now lies where on this particular career path. Now let's learn C#. It doesn't make sense. Imangaji said something which I strongly believe is true. When you chase so many rabbits, you end up catching none. When you are into JavaScript today, tomorrow you're on PHP, tomorrow you are on Golang or C#. How do you want to master this thing? Me personally, I started with JavaScript and I'm still there till today. I'm still there trying to master this thing to the core, trying to build my competence level. You know, so it's not easy. So jumping from one language to the other, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't help you. It doesn't help you at all. If most times you get frustrated and you end up quitting, you end up losing interest. It doesn't make sense. You know, this conversation actually started from an event which I went to, Dev First events, Google Developers Group. The event was on Saturday. I just passed last week Saturday. So back there, when we were in the event, I met so many guys. Some said they were front-end developers, some they said they were back-end. You know, I actually had a chat with somebody, a young guy, a young developer. He said he's a back-end developer. I was like, okay, what made you to be a back-end developer? You know, I was trying to see reasons why he left front-end to back-end. Though it's a career path, what you choose. You know, he said two things. One, he said CSS was difficult for him to understand, and media queries in CSS was giving him a tough time, so he left CSS. He moved to backend. Another reason was JavaScript. I said, okay, you are now in backend. How is it going with you? Like, how is it going so far? He said, yeah, backend is better, you know. At least he doesn't do most of all these stuff there that he has been coping along with backend. I said, okay, fine. I said, no problem. So I also met some people there who are moving from JavaScript to PHP, from PHP to this one, changing languages all the time. You know, you end up messing up your psychology. You end up quitting, and which is not good. So it's just me sharing my own knowledge on this. So I just believe in whatever you are learning, there are jobs out there, but it will take you time, patience. Competence comes in handy in this area. You know, just need to build your competence level. So once you have built your competence level, then you can apply for jobs, and luckily jobs will come along. First of all, build your competence level. So stick to one language, no matter how hard it is at first. But I believe when you stick to something so long, it will be a lot easier. Imagine you doing the same thing over and over again. Before you know, it will be nothing. It will be nothing, and you just kill it, you know. So thanks guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Please like, comment, tell me what you think about the video. Let me get feedback from you and all of that. So subscribe to the channel once again. Alright, thanks guys for watching once more. I'll see you guys on the next one. Though I went on an event, of course, it was actually a meetup, a Google developer group event called Dev First. I'll be making a video about that soon, so I will share some pictures. I also share some ideas, some topics they spoke at the event, the speaker spoke, and everything. So you guys will watch and give me feedback. All right. Thanks guys for watching once more. I'll see you guys on the next.